Hey there, this is Kenneth with Cooking with the Chef. We have two types of meal that is available on today, and then it's going to be available throughout the week. We have brisket plate. With the brisket, we have baked beans, and we have potato salad with two slices of bread for $12. And then we also have the barbecue chicken. We have the thigh and leg, baked beans, potatoes, and two slices of bread for $10. We will also have a brisket sandwich that would be for $8 on just the sandwich itself. And then if you wanted to add a extra leg or extra thigh, if you wanted another leg instead of a thigh, then it'd be 50 cents added onto the leg. And then if you wanted two thighs, then it'd be $1 added. You can also come out to 5110 Westgate Hills Drive to get your orders. You can also call 601-527-7958 or 601-685-8101. Also, to make orders, we will deliver up to 5 miles. Anything over 5 miles, which we will charge an extra $2.50 fee for its gas mileage for there and stuff. But give us a call. We are selling our plates today, so we're asking that you guys come out, give us a call. The purpose of us selling plates is the starting of our business venture, and which is cooking with the chefs, to get funds and get everything up, plus to get you guys to get this good heavenly food before heaven come, and so that you can get this taste of greatness in the midst of you and have the greatest authority of operation in your life. So come out, please support us, help us get this nice, delicious food out to people. Tell everyone you know. We are located in the Meridian area, in case your Meridianites want to come over and get this delicious plate. And we're located again at 5110 Westgate Hills Drive. Again, our numbers is 601-527-7958. You can ask for Kenneth. And then 601-685-8101 and ask for Marcus for your orders on these plates. Remember, the brisket plate, it's got the brisket on it, baked beans, potato salad, two slices of bread for $12. You got the chicken plate, you got the leg and thigh, baked beans, potato salad, and two slices of bread for $10. So come on and get these orders today. You can also make orders for tomorrow and for Monday as well. And then we will be continuing to doing this process throughout the remaining of this month, and continue to going forth, getting our business up and running successfully here in the Meridian area as well. So y'all have a blessed day, and we'll be waiting for your phone call, for the phones to be ringing off the hook, and for us to be delivering this tasty food out to you. Have a good one.